Hi, automation builders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-reply to comments. I will walk you through how to set up a keyword automation and send a DM, how to train an AI to reply to comments for you, and finally, we'll test both functions to see how the customer experience will be. First, you need to make sure Facebook or Instagram is connected. Once it's connected, you will see the comment automation option in the Tools section, as shown here. Let's create a simple keyword automation. This is a call to action that you mention in your post, and it gets triggered once anyone comments. For that, first, you need to go to Flows and create a message flow that you want to DM. To do this, click on Add, then Keyword. All right. Now, this is a simple block. We will change it into a message block. Add a message, and you need to make sure you can only send a single text message for the comment automation. From there, you can add an option to start a different flow. First, you need to add your message. For example, "Thank you for your comment." Tap the option below to get access to our free guide. You can then either send them to your funnel or website, create another flow, or directly add an option to send them to a different website where they can get the guide. For now, we'll keep it simple. Get access now. All right, we'll set it as Send Message. And in this part, we'll just add a message. Here we go. All right, it's a very basic automation we just created. Now let's publish it. Next, we go to the Tools section and create the automation itself. You can use the same flow for Facebook or Instagram, but for now, we'll set it up for Instagram. Click on Instagram, then click Add. Now, we'll just name it Test, or you can name it after the keyword you'll use as the call to action. For now, we'll use Test as our call to action. In Settings, you can make it specific to a post, or apply it to all posts. Private replies mean you're going to send a private message DM, and public replies will reply directly to the comment. For private replies, we've created the flow with the keyword, and for public replies, you can either add a flow or keep it as simple text. For example, sending it to you right now. All right, that's a single message, but you can add multiple ones. To create a keyword, you can use either comments equal to or comments that contain. We'll add comments equal to as test. That's one keyword. For more options, you can hide specific keywords or hide comments containing a specific keyword. You can also set it to reply only once to each post. Since this is a simple automation, we'll keep it at once. If you're getting too many comments, adjust the timing. This will make the bot reply randomly to comments, simulating human behavior. If you keep it set to immediately and receive a lot of comments, Meta might block the bot. So adjust timing based on the volume of comments. For now, we'll set it to immediately, since it's just one account. Save it, and make sure it's turned on. That's how you set up the automation. Now, let's test it. We have a post here, and we'll comment using the simple keyword. We'll receive a private DM and a public reply. After refreshing, here we go. We have the public reply and the private message. Tapping on the private message will start another flow. This demonstrates what you can achieve with simple keyword automation. Next, let's train AI to reply to comments for us. First, we need two types of information to train AI: business information and FAQs. Secondly, gather FAQs your competitors receive and create your own responses. To do this, download any Chrome extension for Instagram, like Instagram Comment Exporter. Once installed, find an account. Let's use this reel as an example. It has a lot of comments. Copy the link, open the extension, paste it, and export. So what this will do is it will export all the comments that they have got. Just say, "This is your competitor." Now they'll have some funny response. They'll have some FAQs. So what you need to do is you'll get the Excel sheet. All you have to do is you have to download and then just answer those, and then use that as a knowledge base to train. So it's easier for the AI itself to respond what comment questions that every other account gets. So now, we have downloaded the file. So we import, and we go to Upload, Browse. Downloads, IG Exporter, Open. Now import data. So we don't need all of this. Okay. And delete. Oh, sorry, we do need the comments. Comments are here, so these are the comments. So you don't need all of this. You delete this, also delete this. All you have to do is consider this as questions and answer. All right? And then whatever questions that you get, all you have to do is you have to answer. So make sure you get from at least 10 profiles to train AI better, because you don't want to give a general AI response. You want to give something that sounds human. So for that, you need to train it. You need to spend time on building your own knowledge base. So once you have that, you can upload that into the OpenAI, which you can already watch on the other video, which explains how to connect AI, and as well as how to train AI. Now we will create a new flow, which is an AI comment flow. Now we have a new block. What we need to do is add OpenAI into this block itself. So we go to Action. You can choose whichever language model you want to use from OpenAI. If you have uploaded files, you need to use the Advanced Assistant. If you're using simple text, you can opt for the basic one. Choose the language you want to go with. We'll stick to GPT-4 Mini. If you have text-based FAQs, you can paste everything in here, and you need to ensure this field is set as last FB comment. All right, since it's a meta platform, we need to ensure it receives the meta message. That's why it's set to last FB comment. Then you save it in a custom field. Now we'll add a prompt. Let's test it out. You're a helpful assistant for Dream Realty, and you are supposed to respond to customer questions in 1 or 2 sentences. This is because Instagram doesn't allow lengthy sentences generated by AI. We need to ensure the answers are very short and concise. After all, it's a comment, and we don't need to explain everything there. We can create a separate flow to send a DM with more detailed explanations. For now, we'll keep it to 1 or 2 sentences. Let's create one question as an example. The question will be, what is the address? The answer should be, it's NYC Street 832. This is just an example. All right, we continue and ensure this is set as an Instagram block because we're creating it for Instagram. If you're creating it for Facebook, simply select Facebook. Success. Now, we need to add the custom field in this block, which we created earlier. AI response. You can create your own, but I already have one. So, I'll select AI response. Continue to text, and we'll add the AI response. For failure scenarios, in case OpenAI doesn't work, we'll send a fallback message. For example, send you a DM. All right, add whatever you'd like. Now we publish it. Now we have the flow, and we'll go to Tools. For now, we'll use Instagram. Let me create another one for simplicity. We'll call it AI. For this, it's a private reply. For the private reply, I'll keep the keyword. For the public reply, I'll keep AI comment. All right, that's the one we created. I'll set it to all comments. Since there's no specific keyword, it's just a general AI. We'll set it to apply only once per user and immediately. Save it. And turn it on. Now let's test it live. We have the post here, and we'll send the message. What is the address? We'll wait for the automation to trigger and send us a DM as well as a public reply. We'll refresh the page. Let me refresh for the public reply. We have the message. The address is NYC. If you'd still like to send them the offer, you can also send a private DM, like this one. And that's how you create automation for a simple keyword comment and AI. Thank you for watching.